Welcome to 629 Emory Drive in Snohomish. This home is located perfectly just 7 blocks to downtown Snohomish. Restaurants, 50 plus antique shops. I'm Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties. Come on in and take a look at this house. This sale is a corporate relocation. What that means is that this seller didn't know that they were moving until the job transfer happened. What they did prior to that was they did everything to this house for themselves. The quality in the kitchen remodel, waterfall countertops, backsplash, everything's been done for them. Excellent opportunity for a new owner. Did you know that in the city of Snohomish, you can have 5 hens in your chicken coop? So if you're looking for a spectacular property in a great community that's completely dialed in with a chicken coop, or any home in the Puget Sound, give us a call.